Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Mozilla Firefox with uBlock Origin on Windows. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser. In the address bar, type www.mozilla.org and press enter. On the Mozilla homepage, look for the download button for Mozilla Firefox. Click on the button to start downloading the installation file. Once the download is complete, locate the downloaded file in your system's Downloads folder. Double-click the file to launch the Firefox setup. Follow the on-screen instructions to install Firefox. Once the installation is complete, open Mozilla Firefox. Now, go to the address bar and type https://addons. In the search bar on the add-ons page, type uBlock Origin and hit enter. Look for the uBlock Origin add-on in the search results. Click on the uBlock Origin listing to view its details. On the uBlock Origin page, find and click the Add to Firefox button. A prompt will appear asking for permission. Click Add to confirm. After the installation, you will see a confirmation message. You can now find the uBlock Origin icon in the Firefox toolbar. To configure uBlock Origin settings, click on its icon and select Dashboard. Adjust the settings to your preference for optimal ad blocking. Congratulations, Mozilla Firefox with uBlock Origin is now successfully installed on your Windows. You are ready to browse securely and efficiently. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.